Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram login error step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Check login details. First, open the Instagram app. Enter your username, email, or phone number, and then type your password carefully. If you forgot your password, tap on Forgot Password and reset it. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. Try switching networks if needed. Step 3. Clear app cache. Go to your phone, Settings, Apps, Manage Apps, Instagram, Storage. Then tap on Clear Cache. Step 4. Update the app. Open the Play Store or App Store. Search for Instagram and tap Update if available. Step 5. Try logging in from browser. Open Chrome or any browser. Go to Instagram website and try logging in. If it works, the issue is in the app. Step 6. Reinstall the app. Uninstall Instagram from your phone. Then install it again and try logging in. And that's it. These steps will help you fix Instagram login errors easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.